Hello, today we will guide you through how to enable remote control for all applications in Zoom. To get started, open the Zoom app on your computer. Make sure you're in the desktop application, since this setting is managed from within the Zoom app itself. Once Zoom is open, give it a moment to fully load so all menu options are available. Next, look to the top right corner of the Zoom window and click on your profile account icon. This is where Zoom keeps your personal app options and preferences. If you've never adjusted this setting before, don't worry. It's a quick process once you know where to look. From the Profile menu, click on Settings. This will open the main settings panel for your Zoom app. The Settings area is where you can control how meetings, audio, video, and sharing features behave. So this is the right place to make changes related to remote control. Inside Settings, click on Screen Share. This section contains options that affect how content is presented and managed during a Zoom meeting. Since remote control is tied to screen sharing, that's why this feature is located here rather than under General Meeting Controls. Once you're in the Screen Share section, scroll down until you find the Advanced area and click on Advanced. If you don't see it right away, continue scrolling slowly, because some versions of Zoom place this section farther down in the panel. Opening the Advanced options gives you access to more detailed screen sharing controls. Now find the setting for Enable Remote Control and click the toggle to turn it on. When this option is enabled, Zoom can allow remote control access during screen sharing across applications, which is useful for collaboration, walkthroughs, and hands-on support during meetings. After you switch it on, the settings should remain saved automatically, so there's usually no separate save button to click. And that's it. You've successfully enabled remote control for all applications in Zoom. As a final tip, it's always a good idea to double-check this setting before an important meeting, especially if you plan to provide support or collaborate directly on shared content. Also, remember that remote control should only be granted when appropriate, since it allows another participant to interact with your shared screen. Thanks for following along, and your Zoom remote control setting should now be ready to use.